Meanwhile, the Premier League continues on Monday with two matches. Spanish Town Police, who are under new management, will take on Tivoli Gardens at the Dunbeholden Field at 3 p.m. The change of management took place 2 weeks ago, with Old Harbour United buying the rights for the club. According to the new manager, Demar Hemley, with Spanish Town Police struggling and in need of help, they have moved forward in adding that stability. The long-term goal is to take top-flight football to Old Harbour in the future.
Ultimate aim right now is just to avoid relegation. Once we avoid relegation, then we try to get our field down by Old Harbour up to JFF standard, get it passed, and then we can play our home games there.
In the day's second game, Arnett Gardens will be at home to Harbour View at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex starting at 7:30. Arnett ended a 3-game winless run last week and will be looking to kick on in this one. The Stars of the East have gone 4 games without a win, as they've managed just 3 points from a possible 12.
It's football. You have a team that goes on the run, and this is our run and this is our farm. I said what happened in the last year, leave it behind, and we'll just focus on this year, and so far it's been going good. I just want to continue on this part, and hopefully we can be at the top by the end of this round.